It's the final and decisive phase of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections. We are in Bandipora, to be precise, in Sumbal Sonawari. And if at all there was an occasion where pictures would speak for themselves, this is it. As you can see, I'll tell Tariq to show you, these are long serpentine queues that we witnessed since morning here. And this is the scene in many other polling stations across the North Kashmir area. Today, Baramulla, Kopara and Bandipora districts are poll bound. Now, why I'm calling this is a decisive phase is because 40 assembly constituencies across Jammu and Kashmir will go to polls or are witnessing polling today, and this is make and break time. This is high stakes time for the likes of BJP especially, whose strongholds in Jammu, Hindu-dominated areas of Jammu will, in fact, are witnessing voting. Now, as far as Bandipora is concerned, this has seen extremes. This has seen it all, be it gun violence that started in the early 90s. There was not a day when there wasn't an attack, an encounter. Then came the time of the counter-insurgency, Ikhwan, the likes of Kukapare, Usman Majid, basically turned against the forces they had joined once, and there was a lot of violence, chaos, people suffered. Then the next transition came when in 2002, these boycott bastions came out in a big way to vote. And today again, they have come out to vote because they understand that this is their weapon. This is their weapon of change. They have understood the importance of vote, and they have come out to vote for different divergent issues. Now, there are some people who say that development is important. There are others who still are emotive about Article 370, saying that the way it was taken away wasn't very democratic. They want it back, and that is why they have come out to vote. So there are different range of issues, but as far as political fight is concerned, it is a triangular contest again. While yes, NC versus Sajad Lone versus Engineer seems to be the right way to describe it, but then there is PDP also in the mix as in certain segments. A lot of needle between Sajad Lone and Engineer Rashid, but one thing that we can be sure about is that there will be huge voter turnout in North Kashmir. Traditionally also it has happened that way, but this time around, since it's an election without the shadow of the gun, without any fear, so more people are expected to come out. Decisive, as I said, this could really basically describe, or this could be a decisive phase, considering that October 8, whoever really has the better chance or better electoral prospects of making a government, this is the phase that will decide that. So it's high stakes, especially for the BJP, but as far as North Kashmir is concerned, very vibrant and long queues almost everywhere in all three districts, and also here in Bandipora, where I am right now. With Campusan Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Sumbal for India Today.